Let's solve the system of equations. What's really cool about this problem is it comes from the June 1881 University of Cambridge entrance exam. Yeah, you can find all this really cool stuff at archive.org. Well, let's start this one. In the first equation, I want to solve for x. So let's rewrite the equation first. 5abx plus 2y equals 16b. I'm going to subtract 2y from both sides of the equation. So we have 5abx equals 16b minus 2y. Now we're solving for x, so I'm going to divide by 5ab on both sides. And we end up with x equals 16b minus 2y all over 5ab. Now we're going to substitute that back into the second equation. And you're right, we're using the substitution method. So I'm going to rewrite the equation first. 3abx plus 4y equals 18b. Now I'm going to substitute in for x. What I like to do is just make a big parentheses where I'm going to substitute, because I want to make sure that I get it correct, especially since we have so many numbers and letters. X is 16b minus 2y all over 5ab. Now when I look at this, I notice that I'm multiplying. So we can cancel the ab, and we're going to end up with 3 parentheses 16b minus 2y all over 5 plus 4y equals 18b. Let's get rid of the denominator. So we're going to multiply everything by 5. All right. In the first piece here, the 5s are going to cancel. So we're going to end up with 3 times 16b minus 2y. Now don't forget, we're multiplying 5 times everything in this equation. So we'll end up with 20y equals 90b. Let's keep going. We're going to solve for y here eventually. Now I'm going to distribute my 3. So 3 times 16 is 48. B. 3 times negative 2y is minus 6y plus 20y equals 90b. I'm going to give myself some more room here. When I look at this, I see that I have like terms. So let's put those together. 48b plus 14y equals 90b. We want to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 48b from both sides. We have 14y equals 90b minus 48b is 42b. I still want to get b by itself, so I'm going to divide by 14. So y equals 3b. We still need to put that back into our y. I'm going to make a little arrow here. And why do I have to put it back into y? Because when we have x equals 16b minus 2y over 5ab, we need to substitute. We want to get rid of that y there. We want x to equal something without a y. So let me rewrite it. X equals 16b minus 2 big parentheses all over 5ab. We're going to substitute 3b in for y because that's what we got y to be. That's funny. We're going to substitute for b. We're going to substitute for y because that's what we got y to be. That's funny. All right, we're going to have 16b minus 6b all over 5ab. 16b minus 6b is 10b over 5ab. Now 10 over 5 is 2. B over b is 1. So it turns out that x now equals 2 over a. So what is our solution going to look like? Let me make a little box here. X is going to equal 2 over a. But remember, a cannot equal 0 because if a is 0, it's undefined. And y equals 3b. And we just worked it together. Cool.